So here we have a set of rear lights to fit the BMW E90 Saloon. This runs from year range 05 to 2008. This is a smoked LED version we've got here, half smoked, half red LED. It's a full kit, so there's inner boot mounted and also rear quarter mounted rear lights. We'll quickly get these unboxed and have a closer look. Okay, now we have these unboxed, let's have a quick closer look. So the kit obviously comes with two inner and two outer. There is also some resistors. These are just to eliminate any bulb errors which may come on your dashboard. There is some basic instructions. These simply just plug straight into the rear lights. There's some double-sided sticky pads on the back of the resistors which you can use to stick to the body of the vehicle, which is illustrated here. There is a little scroll and a bracket. Maybe you want to screw them a little bit more secure. That's down to you what you want to do. That is illustrated there. So looking a little closer at the lights, this is the inner boot one. This is reverse and fog. These take the original bulb holders, what are already fitted to your vehicle, so they just click straight in. Really simple to do. Here's the outers. Top section is the indicator. We'll get those illuminated very shortly, and the bottom is the red section for brake, etc. Again, these do take the original bulb holders, so these just click in. There is some bayonet bulb adapters, so these just plug straight into the bulb holder on your vehicle, and then these plugs, what you can see dangling, these are for the resistor that I mentioned earlier. They just plug straight in, and then it can be tucked out the way and stuck to the body. So we'll get these illuminated and have a quick look. These lights are fully road legal. They are E-marked as well, and also MOT friendly.